Besties, welcome back to the channel. This is Sew with Somi. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the simplest way to achieve a double full gathered flare skirt. So if you want to get how I achieve this, do not skip any part of this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and on your post notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. So for this tutorial, it is very simple and straightforward tutorial. So it's the simplest tutorial you're ever going to come across. Now I have two fabric and this is the small one. Now for the small one I have here, we'll be measuring to see the length I have here. For the length I have 11 inches. Now this is for the small one, 11 inches, and for the wideness I have 3 yards. So if you open it, you see how long it is. It is 3 yards. Or you can do it this way. Another simplest way you can cut out this is to get your length. Then you can times your waist by 2 or by 3 depending on how much fabric you're working with. Now this is for the first layer. Now for the second layer, I'm going to open it up so you see the length. So this first layer is this longer one is actually my main skirt length. This second one is actually my main skirt length, and the length I have here is 21 inches. So it all depends on how long or how short you want. And for the wideness, I have 3 yards. Like I said, another way you can do this is to times your waist by 2 or by 3, depending on how much fabric you're working with. Now, I'm going to place the two fabrics together. I'll place the shorter one on the long one. So I'm going to place them together, because they are both the same on wideness. So after placing them together, I'll take it into the machine to run a gather stitch on it all the way down to the full length. So I'll do that and bring it back to show you what I have. Now after running my gather stitch, this is what I have. The next thing is I'm going to take one of the rope there and I'll start gathering it. So remember, this is an Ankara fabric. It's a little bit stronger than crepe. So if you're using a crepe, it might be easier for you to gather. But since this is an Ankara fabric, it has a little bit of starch inside. So while gathering, do not gather it, do not rush it so that your rope will not cut. And for this tutorial, you're free to use a crepe fabric if that is what you prefer. But what I have currently at home is an Ankara fabric. So I'll gather this and bring it back to show you what I have. After gathering it up to my waist measurement, this is what I have. Now I'll place them together right side facing each other. So after placing it, I'll close it up, but I'll leave some parts for where my zip will pass. After that, I'm going to hem the lower part of the skirt and bring it back to show you. Now this is what I have. I've closed the zipper side and I left some parts open. I'm going to get my band, but before that, this is the lower part. I've already hemmed the lower part. So for my band, I've already cut out my band. This is my band, and for the width I have here, I have 4 inches because I want my band to be 1.5. So if I place it on fold this way, I have 2 inches. So I'll be using half an inch to join it to join the band to the skirt. Now for the length of the band, this is my round waist plus extra 2 inches for my zipper allowance. So my round waist is 28 inches plus 2 inches for my zipper allowance, making 30. So do not forget to add your zipper allowance. Now I'm going to place my band on the skirt this way, and I'll stitch it all around using half an inch. So I'll do that and bring it back to show you what I have. After stitching the skirts, this is the band. After stitching the band, this is what we have, and I've equally added my zip. So guys, is this not the simplest skirt you've ever made? Now, thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and on your post notification button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you have any questions you want to ask me on the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.